Thought I could give you a first-person view of my truck. Hey! But around my house. Dog toys on it. Go the other way. Here's Coco, as you guys know. But, I'm gonna get to show you the rest of the house. I'm gonna pull back on this. Ow, Coco. Say hey! Kitty's outside. If you guys are wondering. So, okay.